In the xy plane, let a minus 2 comma 0 and b is 2 comma 0. Okay, do this. Minus 2 comma 0, 2 comma 0. This is a, this is b. Define the set S as the collection of all points C on the circle x square plus y square equal to 4 such that the area of the triangle ABC is an integer. Okay, nice. First of all, we have to draw the circle x square plus y square equal to 4. The circle with origin center, or sorry, center as origin and radius as 2. Right? That means it will pass through A and B. Nice, beautiful circle. All circles are beautiful. Right? C is some point on the circle such that area of the triangle ABC is an integer. Right? I can say this is the right angle half into AC into BC and all that, but I don't want to do all that. I already know AB. AB is 4. Okay, so if I have this is 0 comma 0. This point coordinates are h comma k. This is h, this is k, and this height is k. H comma k. Area of the triangle is half into AB into CD, half into 4 into k. This is an integer, or 2k is an integer, or k is integer by 2. So what values can k take? K is an integer by 2. So k could be 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 5 by 2, 6 by 2, and so on. K could be half, k could be 1, k could be 1.5, k could be 2, k could be 2.5, k could be 3, and so on. Now, C is a point on the circle. So, k is half if it were here, 1 will go higher, 2 will go higher, 3 will go higher. No, not all that high. This distance is only 2. Or k maximum height is just 2. So, hey, it's not possible, it's not possible. Only these 4 possible values of k exist. Which means k could be half, k could be 1, k could be 1.5, k could be 2. Brilliant. So, let's draw this all over again. This is minus 2 comma 0, 2 comma 0. I could draw it at a point half, 1, 1.5, 2. When I draw it for 2, it will just pass through the tip of the circle. So half will cut here and here, 1 will cut here and here, 1.5 will cut here and here, 2 will cut just here. So my C could be here, 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 or here. 7 different points of C. Not just 7. I could have the same scenario here. So 7 plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 7. 14 different points of C exist. Wonderful question. Half into AB into CD. Half into 4 into K. Where K is the coefficient of the y coordinate of C. Point C, not coefficient. Y coordinate of point C. And then we are through. Remember that C can happen on both sides. C can happen above the x-axis and below the x-axis. And where that height is 2, there is only one value of C because the line becomes a tangent to the circle, not a chord to the circle.